Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the OR operator, represented by two vertical bars, that provides a useful option in scripts. But first, to demonstrate how this operator works, we'll run a couple simple commands on the command line. And here's one. We're going to add hello to my file, or we're going to echo oops. So if the first command is successful, the second command is never run. That's the way the OR operator works. Now here's another example. Here we look at the contents of my file, and only if it doesn't exist do we touch it or create it. The OR operator is most used in scripts when you need to take some action if a condition isn't met. For example, you might have a command like this in a script. Here we say, look at the end of test file. If it doesn't exist, then echo test file is not available and exit the script altogether. In this last example, we're going to test a value that needs to be a string of digits. So here we have a script. It asks the user to enter a length and width. If either of those values doesn't equate to a string of digits only, we're going to issue an error message saying it must be an integer value, and we're going to exit the script. If both of these values are valid, just digits only, we'll go ahead and do this calculation down here. Well, that's your Linux tip for using the OR operator. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.